Hello. First of all, thanks for buying our amazing niche package. This is Dr. Amit Parekh, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to install our beautiful website on your domain name. Okay, just scroll down to the bottom of your download page and download bonus WordPress tutorial part 1, this one. Right click on it and save link as whatever you want. Okay, I already done it. Just go to the folder, this one, unzip it, extract here. In this folder you will find 5 videos like how to register a domain name, choosing the hosting server, and set up the name server for your domain name, uploading the files, and add on domains and subdomains in your cPanel. Watch them carefully to understand whole the procedure. Now installing the website. Okay, to install your website, firstly you need a domain name. I recommend you to buy a keyword rich domain name for better ranking in search engines, and it can better explain your website and your business. You can buy it from godaddy.com. You can see here the GoDaddy's website, or from namecheap.com. Okay, secondly you need a server or hosting provider to run your website online 24/7. I highly recommend to choose hosting company which has a good reputation, should be reliable, and should offer almost all the required features like cPanel, Fantastic, etc. For this purpose I highly recommend hostgator.com. You can see here, just right click on it and open the site. For last 3 years I'm a happy customer of the HostGator, and their customer service is also fantastic. Check out the site. Here's the HostGator's official website. View all the website hosting plans and choose one for you. Okay, you can find both the links in the resources section here below the video, to the HostGator and to the godaddy.com on your download page. Okay, now come on the installation method. It is a 3-step procedure. Step number 1, upload the necessary files on your hosting server. To do so, come here and download your niche package. Just right click on it and save link as whatever you want. I already done it, so come to the folder and open it. Just unzip it, extract here. You will find 4 folders in it, first, second, third, and 4 files. In this folder just open up the niche website folder. Okay, you will find 2 files in it. First one is complete website backup file. It is main file, it's a ready to install website. Okay, and second one is import buddy.php file. Now open up your FileZilla. Here I already have opened it, and upload these 2 files in the same directory. Notice it, in the same directory where you want to install the website. In my case I want to install it in customblogsforyou.com/skin. Okay, it is a subdirectory, but I recommend you to upload these files in the root directory. Okay, just find out the files in desktop and skincare niche package, skincare niche website. Open up it, just drag and drop both the files and wait until upload is completed. Okay, wait for some seconds while transfer is completed. Okay, done. Uploading has completed. You can see both the files here. Now move on the second step. Step number 2. Create new database and username. Just go to your hosting cPanel. It is my HostGator cPanel. You can see here. Scroll down to the bottom. Here, go to my SQL databases. Create a new database. Type any name of the database as you want and keep it safe in Notepad, like me. Just see it. Database. Copy it. And create database. Okay. Go back and scroll down, and now create a username and password. Name. One sec. Same username. Copy it. And password. Again, and create user. Done. Go back. Now add user to the database. Select the username we have created, skin25ef, and the database skin25ef. Okay, add and select all privileges, make changes, and you are done. Just go back, keep all the info in the Notepad. Now move to the last step. Step number 3, installation. To install the website, just type the URL where you uploaded the 2 files in your browser. In my case, it is customblogsforyou.com/skin, and find it. You can see 2 files. Just click on import buddy.php. Okay. Now my backup buddy plugin will do all the magic for you. You just click on the next step. Okay, again click on the next step. In this third step, just open up your Notepad file, see the database username, add a prefix, go to your cPanel and copy the prefix. You can see here it's universally added to all the databases and username, so just copy it and add to your database and username. Okay, just copy your database and paste it here in database name. Okay, paste it and copy your username, paste it here in the database user, and copy your password and paste it here. Just check that your database settings. Okay, successful. Everything is successful here. Just click on next step. Again click on next step. Click here to check your website. Wait for a second. Check out your website here. It's customblogsforyou.com/skin. You just see one of your page. Okay, see it. It's properly working. Everything is there. Videos, banner ads, logo. Check out video page. You can see the videos. Yeah, it's properly working. Thumbs up. It's also working. Okay, everything is working fine. Just go back and click here, clean up and remove temporary files to clean up your server. Just wait for a second. Okay, boom, you have done it. Your beautiful website is now ready to make money. Just look at it. I think website installation cannot be easier than that. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much.